The OLIXIS Executive Office Chair boasts an improved design with an extended backrest, offering enhanced support for your head and neck to alleviate fatigue during long work hours. Crafted from luxurious bonded leather, this chair features an ergonomic S-shaped archback design that supports the natural curvature of your spine, ensuring comfort and preventing strain. The chair's sturdy construction includes durable wheels that provide smooth 360-degree mobility, making it convenient to move and interact with others effortlessly. With a height adjustment range from 19.5 inches to 23.4 inches, this chair adapts to various desk heights, and its rocking mode offers additional relaxation options. Designed for heavier individuals, this chair supports up to 250 pounds, thanks to its robust nylon base and BIFMA-compliant gas lift for maximum safety. The chair is easy to assemble with all necessary tools included and can be set up in 15 to 20 minutes, making it a practical addition to any office or home setting.